If you find exponential equations interesting, then let's solve this problem together. Our target is to find the value of x. We are given 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x all over 3 raised to power negative x equals 162. Let's look at the numerator. We have 3 raised to power x adding up to 3 raised to power x. That means we have 2 of 3 raised to power x. So we can say 2 times 3 raised to power x. So the numerator becomes 2 into 3 raised to power x because we have 2 of it. And that is what is here. According to inverse law, 3 to the power of negative x means 1 all over 3 raised to power x. The negative will create an inverse of 3, then you maintain the power of x without the negative this time. So the negative only creates an inverse of 3 to the power of x. Everything is equal to 162. This inverse of 3 to the power of x simply means 3 to the power of x will multiply the numerator of the bigger fraction. That means this will invert and go multiply 2 times 3 to the power of x. But let's simplify it for those who will be confused. This is the same thing as saying 2 into 3 to the power of x divided by 1 all over 3 to the power of x. And that is equal to 162. If we change this division to multiplication, what happens to the 3 to the power of x? It inverts to the top to multiply this. So the expression, or the equation rather, becomes 2 into 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x when this one changes and we change the sign to multiplication. This is what we get on at the left hand side, and that is equal to 162. We are looking for x, so let's isolate 3 to the power of x by dividing through by 2. So if we divide both sides by 2, we're going to have 3 to the power of x into 3 to the power of x equals 162 divided by 2. Now we have the bases to be the same, and according to the law of indices, if you have indices multiplying each other with the same base, you take the base and add the power. So we are going to take 3 as the base and add the power x plus x, and that is equal to 81 because 162 divided by 2 will give us 81. Now from here we want to express both sides in the same base, and that is the base of 3. This side is already in base 3. Let's write 81 in index form in the base of 3. That will give us 3 to the power of 4. It means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 in 4 places will give us 81. Comparing, you see that the bases are the same. Since the bases are the same, we are free to equate the power. So we can say x plus x equals to 4. Of course, x plus x is 2x. So we are free to say 2x equals to 4. And to obtain x, we simply divide both sides by 2. And that will give us x to be equal to 2. Very simple. The value of x is 2. If you plug in 2 into the place of x in this equation, you will discover that the left-hand side will be equal to 162. Very simple and straightforward. Thank you for watching this, and here is another simple one for you to do. Solve for x in this indicial equation, and when you get the answer, please put it in the comments section. I will be there waiting for you. Thank you very much for supporting Knowledge Base, and see you in our next video.